Today, we're creating the flicker text animation using the loop effects inside CapCut. This gives your text a continuous flashing motion, great for glitch style or dramatic edits. Let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut. From the bottom toolbar, tap Text, then tap Add Text. Type your title or message. This effect works well for short words or dramatic statements. Next, head to the Font tab and choose a style that fits your theme. Bold fonts make the flicker stronger, while thin fonts create a more subtle flashing effect. Now tap the Animation tab, move to the Loop section, and scroll until you find Flicker. Tap it, and your text will begin flashing continuously, creating a strong visual impact. Below the preview, adjust the duration slider. Slide left for a fast, intense flicker. Slide right for a slower, more spaced out flashing cycle. Pick the pacing that suits your video's energy, and that's it. You've created a clean and dynamic flicker text animation in CapCut Mobile. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile editing guides.